Hello everyone, today I got a parcel from Japan, which is I bought jeans and gym t-shirt. So we're gonna do unboxing now and we take a look what's inside. Alright. Okay, first thing I will take out gym tee first and okay, here I got 3-in-1 gym tee. So first we got this open end spun yarn from Nigel. It's a V-shape neck and got one pocket on the left. Okay, so next, the second one is Vortex spun yarn from Nigel. This is number 3. It's round neck, slim fit body. Okay, next. Okay, the last one. I got ring spun yarn, also from Nigel. This is number 2. It's more to relax. So you can check here. It's made in Japan, 100% cotton. Okay, so next we're gonna do denim.